So I'm working on a project where I'm going to make a piece of stainless steel plate that's about 10 inches wide and about 25 inches long. I could go out and buy some 10-inch plate, but I have this actually on hand. I got it for free. Free is obviously better than having to go out and buy something that costs $100. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna weld up a piece of this 7-inch. I'm gonna take a strip out of this one. I'm gonna weld them together, and that'll get me the 10 inches. So I was going to my closest hardware store, looking for some zip discs. I'm using zip discs because I have a plasma cutter, but it won't cut 3/4 inch stainless steel. So I gotta do it the hard way. So I was going to get some zip discs. I saw this DeWalt for $3, and then I saw this Norton BlueFire for $4, and I saw this Linux Metal Max for $13, and they claim that it has 30 times the life, 30 times longer than what, I'm not sure. I decided this would be a good opportunity to do some testing to see if this is really worth $1 more than the DeWalt, and if the Linux is really worth 4 times as much as the BlueFire. And what I'm doing is I'm going to rip, not really rip. I'm usually a woodworker, so that's why I'm using the word rip. I'm going to cut along this line right here that I have scribed out. And I'm going to time to see how long it takes and how many it takes, how long and how many discs it takes to go through each one of the DeWalt, of the BlueFire, and the Linux Metal Max. From that we'll see how long they last, how long it takes to cut, and which one's the better product. So let's see how this works. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Goodbye.